Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have the essentials. Now enable and start. First, sign into your Xbox Live account in Bedrock, then open Settings and go to Profile. Once there, enable voice chat under Privacy and Online Safety and allow communication with others. Make sure the world or server you join supports in-game voice, otherwise it won't route audio. Now, join a multiplayer session or invite a friend. If the setting is enabled and the server permits it, your microphone will be live in the world. Now you configure audio so voice is clear. Plug in your headset and set it as the default input and output on Windows, iOS, Android, Xbox, or Switch. This ensures Minecraft uses the right device. Then open audio settings in-game and tweak master and chat volumes. Test levels so voice isn't too loud or buried. Make sure you understand whether you're using a party chat or in-world voice. Servers and platforms can treat them differently. Once done, confirm other players can hear you when you speak. Finish by testing and learning controls. Invite a friend to a private world and speak. Watch the voice icon or chat indicator to verify transmission. While playing, use the in-game mute and volume sliders to manage who hears you. This prevents accidental broadcasts. If voice still fails, check device mic permissions, your NAT type, and Xbox Live privacy settings, then restart Minecraft or your device. One key tip: if voice works for party chat but not in world, the server likely blocks in-game voice. Ask the host to enable it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.